In Dubai, almost everyone seems to be wealthy. But how is it possible? By 2023, Dubai had over 68,000 millionaires, making it one of the world's richest hubs. Dubai is widely seen as a city brimming with money. Yet there are specific reasons behind this reputation. With cutting-edge infrastructure and a prime location bridging Europe, Asia and Africa, Dubai attracts global companies and innovative startups. Real estate investors thrive on a market that can skyrocket within years. Creating immense value. Setting up a company in Dubai is quick and easy. And the government supports innovation through tax-free zones for businesses. Dubai has also become a hotspot for crypto enthusiasts and investors, offering favorable regulations and a broad acceptance of digital finance. Dubai doesn't make people rich overnight, but it offers the perfect setting for those who know how to leverage its many opportunities.